Here's the question. In brackets, 8 plus 4 times 2, bracket close, divided by, inside the brackets, 6 minus 2, bracket close, times 3. We know, according to PEMDAS for sure, P for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. These are included. We have to apply them from left to right. So first, we solve the parentheses, and even inside the brackets as well, we'll solve the multiplication first. After that, we'll do the addition. So here, 4 times 2 becomes 8. Inside the bracket, 8 plus 4 times 2, which is 8, bracket close, divided by, now inside the bracket, 6 minus 2, that becomes 4 times 3. Let's solve further. Inside the bracket, 8 plus 8, that becomes 16, bracket close, divided by 4 times 3. Now, let's solve further. 16 divided by 4 times 3, and we'll check from left to right. When checking from left to right, we'll give first priority to division. Second priority goes to multiplication. According to the BODMAS rule, multiplication and division have the same priority. Now, 16 divided by 4, then multiplied by 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now, 4 times 3 equals 12. This is the right answer.